Unboxing, setup, and first use. Take the appliance out of the box and carefully remove all of the packing. Place your appliance on an ironing board. Before turning on and plugging in your unit, remove the water tank. Fill the water tank past the min mark, taking care not to exceed the max mark. Insert the water tank. Plug in the appliance. Press the on button. The appliance will automatically select the eye care mode for first use. The iron will start to heat up and the temperature control LED on the iron will flash. Once the temperature is reached, the temperature control LED is permanently on. Release from the base by pressing the Easy Lock button. We recommend to iron for a few minutes over a rag to avoid dirtying your garments with any manufacturing residue which may be present. You can now select either the Eco, Eye Care, Turbo mode and begin ironing. When you have finished, press the off button to turn off the appliance. Unplug and let the appliance cool down. Empty the water tank. Lock the iron. Now you can store, ready for the next use.